What about all of us? We are quite in line with this, but let us get totally one with him by asking our Blessed Mother to help us. So I suggest to people, because many of the people, when things happen to them, they succumb to it. So when things are happening to us, say the other one comes to you, is angry, is not all right, whatever is happening to him or her, you immediately start saying the Hail Mary. So what happens when you say the Hail Mary, you're not getting the whole onslaught of what they are saying or doing or not doing. You're able to keep it in Mother Mary, and she will intercede for you with Jesus and help you to be more like him in responding to them at that moment. I guarantee you, this will happen. And I'm certain about it. But we must do it in faith with the hope that God's love will be manifested through it. Now, they are saying to us or doing to us, but what's going on in us? That also we have to keep it in her. I've told you to do this before in Jesus. But she will help us to do it better in him, and then this combination will help us very much. So we must have a spiritual communion with God in order to live more meaningfully with others. And you'll see there will be great peace, joy, happiness, enthusiasm in dying for the other. Because it always entails a dying to self. Otherwise, we're always self-centered, not the other-centered. When you're other-centered, you take up the cross, you die to yourself, you live for them, and they keep growing in Jesus. Let's pray for this grace. Let's hold our hands together, close our eyes. In every breath, we are kept alive by him who is our life. He fills us from our toes right up to our head. We are so complicated inside that we hardly know about ourselves. There are so many systems in us which are functioning, and each one is so unique. What a marvel it is. And he is keeping it going. And when you remain more present to him, then his very nature will give us good health of body, mind, and spirit.